G'day guys, Fishinstraya. Today, me and Benji, we're at it for a weekend. We've got 3 days and we're just up and about and we're just going to be camping around some highland lakes. So at the moment we're at Crescent and we're chasing that big fish that I lost and that are definitely in here. So we're going to get casting. It's bright and early in the morning. It's pretty warm, like wearing shorts and a jumper, so that's it. So it's pretty good for this time of year. But anyway, we'll get casting. We'll hopefully see you guys when we're on. Ooh. G'day guys, Fishinstraya here. This video is proudly sponsored by Tamar Marine Launceston. Tamar Marine Launceston have a huge range of fishing gear, boating needs and everything you need to get out and back on the water safely. So when you're in Launceston next, come into Tamar Marine Launceston and buy something from them so they can continue to support me to make videos like this one. Hope you guys enjoy this Fishinstraya video and I'll see you guys at the end. Got him!
It's up.
It's chill. It's chill. Aggressive. Oh!
Wow. So,
well, after little success on Lake Crescent, we decided to go and fish one of these highland rivers, and let's just say it produced.
Yeah, I got him. Take your time.
No, I'm worried about. Beat that Fishinstraya.
Yeah, I'm going.
Oh, she's rubbing like a brick. She's getting snagged up.
I'll get him.
He's just there in that reed, man. Yeah, he won't move.
Oh, it's deep. It gets deep.
She's just there. Oh, she's coming up. She's just there.
Oh, he's a good fish. Oh, he's a good fish. Oh, Benji, he's a good fish. Oh, Benji.
Yeah! Oh! Get him, man! Come on, have a good. Holy the size, man! Wow!
He's like 8.
Oh, wow.
He's 8. It's like 7, 8. Right, let's get photos and get him back. We didn't get any much luck in Crescent this morning.
Shorts. Stand back a touch more. I'm trying to get it right up.
Good fish. Feet are wet. Ah!
Oh yeah, she gone.
She going?
Oh, she's just sitting there. She's getting her bearings.
Sweet as. Sweet as. Give us a fist bump.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, she's a good fish, man. She's a good fish, man. She's a good fish, man. She good fish. She good fish. She good fish, man. She good fish, man.
I'll play hard to get.
She good fish, man. She good fish. She good fish. She powerful. Oh my Jesus. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. What? Boy, oh no.
Get up there. He's going up rapid.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Get up here. Up here. Come on.
No, it's come back down. Come back down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy.
Come in there. Come on, you gotta be strong.
Oh, she's it. Hold up. No. Gentle. I want to keep that angle nice and tight on him. I don't want the... Yeah, get that. Yeah. Woo! Oi! Oh! Oi! Oi! Is that? Oh, I don't know.
Same fish.
No, I'm not saying it's the same fish, but the first look at it, that's like pushing 8. Oh,
They're about this. Oh,
I think that's
she's more length than that last one, but not as much girth.
That's probably 7, 6, 7, 7.
Wowzers.
I'd say both of ours would be 7.
Alright.
We'll get GoPro footage first. GoPro footage first. That is a very well-conditioned Tasmanian trout. How good is that? I think he's about ready to go now. What a great example of a pristine Tasmanian trout. Oi, fish, 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 fish. Hey, yeah.
Swimming in here.
I'm trying to. Trust me, I'm trying to. It's a good fish.
Stingray mode active. Oh, that big, like, oh, no, she can fish.
Hey,
Another one!
that's like 5.
Yeah, she'll be at 5, yeah.
5, yeah. She's not long, but
Nice.
that is a beautiful, probably 5 pound trout, like one of these smaller sort of specimens that we've been caught into catch. Good catch. Catching today. Just a little fish, but like still a horse anywhere else. We'll get some photos and chuck him back. Alright. Righto. This fish is well ready to get back in. Well guys, hat is looking rather fancy. That's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Wicked day. Oh well, it's only like halfway through the day, but we're just gonna go to another lake and film a separate video on that. But wicked little morning. Ended up catching 3. Just shows that persistence is sort of key. Like, you know, a lot of the times sometimes you're not fishing the right things, not fishing the right spot, but like eventually it's gonna happen. And we persisted. A little spot change, lure change made the do, and yeah, did the deeds. So we got about 3. 2 of them were about 7, and one of them was about 5. But yeah, we could trip. Anyway, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's video, because I know where we're going and it should be pretty good. So I'll see you guys later. Ew.